You want to go on to generating a lot of leads to your CPA marketing offers? Then follow the step-by-step guide which I'm about to reveal to you right here in this video right now. And this step-by-step guide just actually involves you getting CPA marketing offers from a platform such as CPAGrip. Utilize this platform to actually generate a cool content that you can use to promote the offer and go on to promoting it online with this particular platform. So basically what you want to do right first of all is to get an account created on a platform like CPAGrip. You'll be able to see a register icon right here. Come onto this particular section after clicking on that icon to go on to filling out all fields with the red asterisk signs, as that particular field indicates a required field you must go on to filling out before getting an account created on a platform such as this. You could also agree to the terms of service right here. You could read through the terms of service, but I've agreed to that. Click on register now after filling out your form and get your account created. Once your account has been created and you do log into your account, come onto this page which says offers, my offers, by going on to this particular section which says my offer tools, and select my offers. You want to just simply filter the countries right here to select country from the United States. If you do that right here, go on to scrolling through, select a very cool sweepstake offer, which is this one right here that is a giveaway offer for a $10,000 right now. You can see that all your leads need to do is to come from the United States, to use a desktop device and submit their email address and also zip code using this your unique affiliate link, and you're going to get paid $2.22 per person that does that right now. All you need to do right now is to copy the link and go on to creating a simple landing page using any landing page builder site of your choice. You can actually do check out my channel OJ Marketing. Click on this particular link icon or search icon and go on to search, typing in landing page. And if you do type in landing page and click on enter, you'll be able to see a lot of videos I created for you on how you could just simply go into creating a simple landing pages with various different websites right now. So if you do create a landing page and link that offer to the landing page, that is absolutely going to be great right now. So you could also go on to using your link directly and shorten it right here on a platform called tinyurl.com. So come right here, paste in the link, click on shorten URL, and that link right here will actually be shortened on this platform. You can see the new link right now, which is what we're going to be utilizing to drive traffic to our offers right here. You want to head on to the next step, which is to actually use this platform called writesonic.com to actually go on to creating some cool write-ups that you can use right now, and such write-ups are actually SEO optimized right now. And you want to just simply log into your account. You want to click on this particular new document section or new chair right there. If you do click on that right there, it's actually going to bring you to this page where you can actually do start work editing right now. So I'm also going to come right here, click on new chart, and for the chart right now guys, I'm just going to utilize the Writesonic content writing capabilities and ask Writesonic a very cool and amazing prompt right now, which says, so right now guys, I'm asking Writesonic to generate a short art copy for a $10,000 giveaway, and Writesonic is actually does that right here. As you can see, it's searching online and is actually getting words to use. This is actually the content which the Writesonic actually went on to generating, and you can see how cool this actually is. So what I went on to doing was to copy this on my clipboard and go onto this platform called the adstorm.com to generate an account, because this is the platform we're going to be utilizing to drive traffic to our offers. You could filter this right now to any country of your choice. As you can see, there are a lot of countries right here available. Filter that to any country of your choice, click on register, and go on to following the necessary procedures to register for an account. I'm not going to show you how you could do just that because it is quite simple and easy to do that. Once you do sign up for an account right here, click on this section that says add listing at the top right corner of your screen, where you just need to go on to providing a category for this particular offer which you intend on promoting right here. Maybe I'm just going to go on to selecting the beauty and well-being and select something quite important or a subcategory right now. Maybe I'm just going to select one right there. So for this particular type, you want to select the private individual. For the title, I'm just going to head back to ChatGPT or CPAGrip to actually copy that title. But before I do that right now, let me just simply paste in that particular script which was generated with the help of Sonic right there. You also want to just simply head back to CPAGrip and copy this exact same title. If you copy the title, head back to that particular platform right now and paste that as a title right here in this section. Now in some areas right now of this particular ad, you can actually go on to checking out that you'll be required to insert a link in some sections. So you can actually insert the link to that offer right now, which is already the shorten link, which we did shorten at tinyurl.com, or you could just simply add in the link at the end of the ads right now. So once you do that right here, you want to just simply put in a price. You want to select a city which you want to just simply target. Put in cities in the United States like California. So if I just select California and another country or city right there, I can add some cool tags that can make this discoverable. Complete this capture right here and go on to publishing that on this platform. So you can actually see how easy it is to go on to running ads on this platform and getting in touch with lots and lots of people right there for your CPA marketing offers. If the video did add any form of value to you, why not just simply smash the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure notification bells are always turned on all. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in the next video, guys, and goodbye.